Hello and welcome to RevenueTube and our new video on how to make money on YouTube. Don't pay too much for anything. RevenueTube is all about giving you what you need to start and succeed at your own online business. In these videos, I will cover my top 10 tools and tips for helping you work faster and smarter. After these short videos, we're going to show you absolutely the best way to make money on YouTube, bar none. Now, in a minute, I'm going to show you a couple of very important features that really make this tool and these tips pure gold, and why you need them in your toolkit. Okay, so we know that we're going to have to buy some stuff on our online business journey. It's unavoidable and necessary, but that doesn't mean you should pay more than you need to. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to get discounts, codes and coupons from sites that have them, even if you can't see them. This is where Honey comes in. Let me show you how easy it is to save money with this amazing free Chrome extension. Okay, so imagine I'm going to do some shopping at Target. I'm looking for some furniture or maybe clothing. So I'll pop along to their website. And, well, I'm not sure. Do you know what discounts they have here? There's a few little bits here and there. But if you go here to the Honey logo, it tells you all of the discounts that are available on this website. And some of them, it even tells you the amounts. And it's interactive. So if you see a code that isn't on here, you can add it to the community here, so that it keeps up to date and all the latest codes are always on there. Check out honey.com to find out more and see how to get money back even if a site doesn't have their own discounts. Now, there's a few other things to mention about not paying too much. 1. Before you buy anything, shop around and read reviews and blogs on the subject. I have saved myself fortunes by finding out that there was a better alternative at much less money than the product or service I thought I wanted. 2. It's always worth putting the name of the product you're interested in into Google, followed by alternatives or competitors, which can often show you a list of great alternatives that you weren't aware of. 3. Many sites use exit intent software that will offer you a discount that isn't available elsewhere on the site if they think you're leaving. Let me show you. Okay, so let's say I've decided I was going to buy this PDF editor. I'm on their sales page. I'm having a look at the pricing options, but I'm not entirely sure which one I would want to buy, or whether I want to buy it at all. Maybe I'm going to go and look at someone else's product. So I head up to the thing. Oh, what's that? And that's an exit intent discount. Very easy, always worth a check on any site. Head for the exit and see if they're going to give you a discount to keep you. 4. Another great technique, if you aren't in a hurry, is to register for the company's newsletter and wait for them to send you a special offer, which they often will if you don't respond to a few full price offers. Lastly, I've found that visiting the sales page for many companies and partially completing an order can generate abandoned cart discounts. Just make sure they have your email to send the offer to. Hopefully, you found this presentation helpful in preparation for how to make money on YouTube. If you'd like to know more about this subject or have any other questions, please leave a comment below. In our next video, I'll be showing you the ultimate keyword research tool and why you need it for almost any online business. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see other great tips, tricks and tools to help you succeed in your online business. Thank you for watching and see you soon.